Next steps for a career in BI. I didn't get a technical degree when I went to college. I didn't have any professional certifications. My first job out of college was selling insurance. How did I get into BI? I started by learning Tableau. You see, Tableau markets itself as a tool that anybody can pick up and learn, and it's totally true. And Power BI, it's now on that same level. It's not hard at all to get started going. I believe that you, the learner, whether you come from an IT background or not, you're totally capable of sitting down, watching the Nuggets, and learning everything there is to know about these amazing tools. And what's going to happen with that? It's going to transform your career. You see, because once I knew those tools, it enabled me and empowered me and inspired me to get my own CBT Nuggets subscription and start learning SQL. I learned every single thing that I know about SQL right here at CBT Nuggets. I was a learner long before I was an instructor here, and I can vouch for it that these courses changed my life. You absolutely can do it. You absolutely can spend a few hours learning Tableau, learning Power BI, learning SQL, and it will change the course of your entire life from there on out. So here's my recommendation to you. My recommendation is to pick one, either Tableau, Power BI, or SQL, and then hop into CBT Nuggets and just get started training. It's like when you sit down to write a big long Word document, what's the hardest part? It's when you're sitting there staring at a blank white page and you have to type the first sentence. You just have to get started. And once you get started, you're rolling, and it's just going to happen naturally. It's the snowball effect. So pick on one of the tools that you want to learn and just get started learning. I know for Tableau and Power BI, those are free tools that you can download and follow along exactly step for step with the course. And when you're ready, download the sample test, download any sort of practice exams that you can, and get ready for the certification. Because once you get the certification, that's when you can really start attacking job openings for BI developer positions. I know you're inspired and motivated and capable of changing your life. So take the first step, join us at CBT Nuggets, and learn all about business intelligence and how it can change your life. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.